Dry reality. Korea's drought disaster zone reveals fragile water security, urgent need for adaptation. A nation accustomed to typhoons and floods have now declared a natural disaster over something rather drought. On Saturday, President Lee designated Gangwon Province a disaster zone after its main reservoir fell below the threshold needed to sustain household supply, the first time in South Korea that drought alone had triggered such a measure. If typhoons and flood once defined the nation's natural perils, today's scarcity is the more menacing force. Gangneung's plight is stuck. The Obong Reservoir, which supplies nearly 90% of the city's water, is at 14.5% of capacity, barely on fifth of the seasonal norm. In a month, its volume has halved. More than 53,000 households face rationing, with meters locked at three-quarters full. Agriculture has been cut off entirely. Restaurants and guest houses have shortened hours, and hotels have shuttered pools and saunas. Fire trucks are dispatched from across the country haul water into the city, yet the airport resembles trying to refill the sea with buckets, and the skies offer no relief. This is not the slow-moving drought of old. Meteorologists describe Gangneung's condition as a fresh drought, in which prolonged heat draws moisture from soil and air like a sponge, leaving crops and streams parched within weeks. This is not the rainfall this year is just 41% of the norm, while temperatures are on track to make 2025 the hottest summer since records began in 1973.